Hi everyone, je m'appelle Alexandra Atará. Sou estudante do segundo semestre de Línguas Estrangeiras na UPTC. Meu professor é Jonathan Vasquez Guarnizo, and today I'm going to teach you the consonant sound of American English. Come on!
Hello, it's me. I was wondering if after all these years you'd like to meet to go over.
We will start with the voiceless and voiced, but what are they? Voice sounds are produced by vibration of the vocal cords, and voiceless sounds have no vibration of the vocal cords. Knowing this, let's start. Now let's learn its modes of articulation, which are different ways in which sounds are produced or articulated in the mouth and throat. They are divided into nasals, plosive, fricative, effricant, and approximant. Nasals. The sound is produced by letting air pass through the nasal cavity only. Is voiced, for example, made, moment, dream. Knock, nothing, women. Bank, think, a monk.
Take your eyes off of me so I can leave. I'm far too ashamed to do it with you watching me. This is never ending, we have been here before.
Plosive. The airflow is blocked, and due to the pressure, the air is suddenly released and kind of explosion occurs. For example, voiceless. Happy, hop, sleep. Take, time, lost. Key, unique, black, voiced. Bug, baby, job. Dark, bird, desk. Dog, greet, begin.
I hate to turn up out of the blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay away, I couldn't fight it. Don't forget me, I beg, I remember you say.
Fricative. The sound is produced when air passes through a narrow channel formed by two articulators. Unlike plosive, fricative are long sounds. First, we will look at fricative with vibration. For example, v, above, arrive, save, the, those, that, thing, z, visit, because, his.
There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and it's bringing me out the dark. Turn my sorrow into treasure gold.
Now voiceless. Fine, face, love. Think, month, but. Medicine, nice, small. Chef, sure, she. Home, history, who.
Who would have known how bittersweet this would taste? Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you.
Effricate. It is the combination of a plosive with a fricative in the same place of articulation in the mouth, and it is a slow sound. For example, voiceless ch, cheap, match, teacher, watch, chick. And voiced, journal, educate, use, logic, jump.
I was still a child. I didn't get the chance to feel the world around me. I had no time to choose. I wish I could live a little more. Look up to the sky, not just the floor. I feel like my life is flashing by, and all I can do is watch and cry.
And finally, approximants are intermediate sounds between vowels and consonants. Are voice sounds, for example, w, queen, why, when, r, year, red, sorry, room, yes, yellow, uniform, l, like, last, little, smile.
Everybody loves the things you do, from the way you talk to the way you move. How can one become so bounded by choices that somebody else makes? How come we've both become a version of a person we don't even like? We're in love with the world, but the world just wants to bring us down by putting ideas in our heads that corrupt our hearts somehow. When I was a child, every single thing could blow my mind, soaking it all up for fun, but now I only soak up wine.
Merci d'avoir regardé ma vidéo. J'espère que tu l'aimais. Belle journée.